Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my lasagna, so please stay tuned to the end of the video. So I'll be cutting up one medium-sized onion, scallion / spring onions, thyme, pepper, garlic, my bell peppers as well, and these are all the ingredients I'll be using. So these are what all my veggies look like, and then I'll be adding a scallop pan to my electric stove, and I'll be adding some oil to my pan, and then while the pan's heated, I'll be adding all my veggies, and I'm just gonna saute them until they are done. 2 minutes of sauteing them. Then I'll be adding my lamb mince. I prefer lamb mince because I like the taste, but you can use whatever mince you would like. You can use beef, you can use turkey, it's up to you. Now I'll be adding black pepper, complete season, half a teaspoon of salt, paprika, and all-purpose seasoning just to give that mince a little bit of flavor. So now I'm gonna allow my mince to cook for 5 minutes or until it turns a brown color, and you can simmer it down for 2 minutes, but not too much. Once the mince is cooked, I'll be adding jerk seasoning. This is optional. You can also add green seasoning, but what it would do, it would just enhance the flavor just a little bit more. I'll be adding my tomato sauce. You can use any of your choice. I'm just gonna stir it around and mixing all that flavor into my sauce. And look how beautiful that looks. So I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. We don't want it too much because we don't want it salty, and that will be it for our sauce. So for our white sauce, I'll be adding butter, flour, and we're going to stir it around into a roux. Then we're going to add some semi-skimmed milk or any milk of your choice. You can use double cream, but I didn't have any double cream, so I'm using my semi-skim milk, and in the semi-skim milk I'll be also using evaporated milk, and I'm just gonna mix this around until the sauce thickens. To my white sauce, I'll be adding salt, black pepper, and a little bit of paprika, and that will be it. But please season to your likeness. So I'll be adding my white sauce to the bottom of my dish, then my lasagna sheets, my bolognese sauce, then some cheese. I'll be using mozzarella and some mature cheddar cheese, but you can choose any cheese of your likeness. And then we're going to repeat this until we get to the top. So my oven has been preheated on 200 degrees. I'm going to be using some foil and I'm going to cover my dish and put it in the oven for 20 minutes. I'm going to take it out and remove the foil, then put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. And that's it for my lasagna, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and until next time, bye.